super important. I mean, you can in today's world, you cannot get away without having a GitHub repo, and several of them with the proper commits, with the proper documentation. So the README file is super important.
How does one make a transition from a different field to artificial intelligence?
There's no one solution that fits all. So and although I've had a fully academic background before this, but I don't always say that you need to go back to grad school and get a master's, because that's not what works for everyone.
In today's episode, I have the pleasure of having with us the founding member of FourthBrain, which is an Andrew Ng company that claims to make applicants learn machine learning in just 16 weeks.
So I always say, go look into LinkedIn. What kind of jobs you really want to go for? And are they entry level? So are you trying more into a test? Because understanding a test requirement or QA is different from a dev sort of a job. Find out what are the requirements that people are listing. If a lot of the companies are saying C++ is required, then you should definitely do a side project on C++. But if you see most of them are saying Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, then that's the area you need to go. So having coding experience is definitely a must. And it's not just writing code, it's reading code as well. So looking at GitHubs and going through, understanding quickly how to unpack the repo, where to put your data sets, and how to quickly achieve what the authors have already put out there. So reading as well as writing code, super important.